And make sure not to poke yourselves. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little bit different for you. It's not going to be a makeup tutorial today, but instead I'm going to be showing you how you can fold your hijab. I'm going to be using this long shawl hijab. It's I think the material is viscose. This is from Modanisa. So I'm going to first divide it into two and just put it over my neck, and then find the edge and just bring that forward. I did not iron this, which is why you can see all the wrinkles and creases, but if you do iron it, it would be much better. I was just too lazy. Oh, by the way, this is also from Modanisa. I'll show you how this dress looks at the end of the video. So what I like to do with most of my hijabs is grab about a few inches in from the edge. So here is the edge, just a few inches in, you pinch the two sides and then you fold and bring to the back. So from here, you just push back and you place it on your head. And adjust however you'd like the front part of your hijab to sit. So now I have a shorter end and a longer end. Just play around with the hijab until you feel like you're comfortable with how it looks in the front. So pinch about an inch into the inside from the outer corner. We're gonna pinch an inch in and twist. Once you twist, bring together and kind of overlap. And when you overlap, use a safety pin. I'm using these hijab pins here. You can find these in most hijab stores, I would say. They usually come in either as individuals or you can get them in packs. So I'm going to be using this to pin from the inside, and that way it won't be visible from the outside. I'm just going to pin the two overlapping layers like so. What I like to do is fix the creases, although this one has creases from before. Like the creases you want to show. So I usually like to have two on the sides. And then you're gonna take one side. See how this edge was folded over? We're gonna take the inside edge and bring this over your head. And then pin. Then you can either pin this here if you'd like a little bit of a draped finish, or you can always tuck it in. This time I'm going to do a turban. So first off, you drape over, adjust, take the shorter end and the longer end and bring it to the back and tie it. So just how you would tie your like a string like this. Just kind of like 1, 2 over, and then bring one through that kind of tie, not the bow. So we've tied that. Next, we're gonna take the longer end and drape it over and just adjust the pleats, the creases, however you would. And then bring whatever's left to the other side and take the shorter end and throw it back. And I like to just kind of tie down any of the loose ends. And this, what I'm using is one of these sewing needles or hijab pins. They're just straight pins here with a little bit of a tip at the end. Make sure not to poke yourselves. I just have one end here. So with this shorter end now from the longer side, just gonna take this and drape it where my bun is. And just kind of drape that, pin down where needed, and the bottom is gonna have this little thing. Just tuck that in. Tuck that in. I kind of kept it a little loose. It gives it a bit of a nice shape. The other hijab pin like this. And there you have kind of a cute low bun turn. I'm gonna go iron this actually. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna drape this over my head, just like a regular kind of scarf for now. And then I'm just gonna adjust the edges how I want it to. And then I'm gonna take the edges from the other end and bring these forward and pin it right there with a hijab pin. And I'm doing it from the inside again so it's not visible from the outside. Now we're just kind of left with this kind of finish. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the longer side here and just throw that to the back, but draping it a little bit nicely so it doesn't all kind of crinkle and look awkward. And then I'm gonna bring it back to the front here. And the two sides, I'm going to tie them like so. So then you're kind of left with this. It's kind of like a hood hijab in a way, because it kind of gives you that finish, and then you got the little neck coverage and a little knot here. What you could do if you like if it's a thinner hijab, you could always do a double knot. It would look very cute. I'm just gonna keep it this way because the material is a little thicker than one of those Georgette or silk hijabs. Just kind of play around until you find that you're happy with it.